Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz, and today we are going to be unboxing August 2020 Premium Boxycharm. The theme for this month is Boxy Glamping. Here are all the goodies that we received this month. Box variation that I got is number 48. Let's go ahead and get started. The first item that is on here is this after spa slip-on exfoliator. The box did come a little bit busted, just from transport, I'm suspecting. The after spa slip-on exfoliator is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. My thoughts on this is that it can either be used like a dry buffer kind of thing to remove dead skin cells. The way that I think I'm going to be using it is as a loofah. I'm going to just use it in the shower with my body wash. The good thing about it is that it is organic and biodegradable. Here is a snippet of how it can be used. The next item is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Now, I've heard great things about this setting powder, that it's not super dry, so that's nice for underneath the eyes. I have not used it, and I don't plan on using it anytime soon. I'm really working on using things up before I go ahead and open another one. But just to show you real quick, I love how it has this sifter and like a top to keep it from spilling out. You know, if you use setting powder, you know what I mean, how it gets all over the place. So this little top really helps keep a lid on things. This setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you're born this way. This formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. I can't wait to use it. This next item is a choice item, and I chose it because I have used Sunday Riley items before. Now, if you've bought Sunday Riley items from like Sephora, you know it's a pricey item. I have used their Good Genes and their lactic acid, and both of them were really great on my skin. Just a little pricey. This does retail for $85, so I went ahead and jumped on it real quick. This is the A plus high dose retinoid serum. It is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. I love how this comes packaged. It is luxurious. It feels luxurious. Just opening up the box was like an experience. I love that it has a pump and all the ingredients are listed on here as well. And this is a nightly type of serum, and it does come in 1 fluid ounce, so you do get a full size of this product. Retinoid is great for aging skin and just for many uses. You do have to be careful with retinoids though, so hopefully my skin agrees, but I really don't have much of a sensitive skin. Moving on, the next item is the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. Laura Geller, I first heard of her on QVC, and this woman has great makeup products, so I'm sure this won't be the exception. This is an eyelash primer, so you use it before you use your mascara, and it comes in black, which is really neat. I am currently using an eyelash primer from another brand, but it's white, so the fact that it's black, it makes it a little bit more user-friendly, I think. And her products are made in Italy, so they're really high-end, really luxurious products. Definitely can't wait to try that either. The next item is from MAC Cosmetics. I love MAC. This is an amplified lipstick, and it is in the shade Fast Play. This is an ultra creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. So the great thing about this, even if let's say you finish it up or you don't finish it up, or you can depot it and you can back to MAC it, even though it's a Boxycharm item. So that's really neat that we can still go ahead and back to MAC it. If you don't know what back to MAC is, if you return a certain number of items back into the MAC store, they they will give you a lipstick, I think. So that'd be great. Mine did come a little bit melted. I do live in Las Vegas, and over 100-degree weather will cause your lipstick to melt. So that's the only bummer about it. But other than that, it's a beautiful sort of mocha, rosy brown type of color. It is an amplified lipstick. I haven't tried an amplified lipstick formula from MAC, so it feels really, really nice and creamy. Now moving on to the last item in the box. This is from Ciate London, and it is the New England Editor palette. This is inspired by New England in the fall. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match with the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. I had not read this before until now, and for sure the first thing that stuck out to me when I saw this palette is this is a fall palette. So it's perfect. It came right on time for fall. I can't wait to put these on my eyes. It doesn't have a whole lot of mattes in there, but it's okay. I have plenty of matte colors to work with. These jewel rich tones are perfect to play around with. These blues, these reds, these copper colors. This is the first row swatched here, and it is more on the cooler side, as you can see. This is the second row, and I'm gonna admit this is my favorite row. These reds and that blue just mixed together. Those are all the feels that I want to have this fall. And then the last row is more of a mixed tone of different jewel tone colors. That green with a little gold shift, that looks beautiful. And that red, honey, look at that. The copper. I think all these colors are going to be beautiful on the eyes. Let's just hope they work well and blend well. And that is it for this box, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and stay blessed. Bye.